Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off keyboard sound on Samsung C55 5G device. Well, keyboard sounds can be distracting for some users and may disrupt their focus and concentration while typing. Disabling the keyboard sound can help users maintain focus and productivity during tasks that require concentration. And also, turning off keyboard sound help reduce unnecessary noise when typing on the device, especially in quiet environments such as offices, libraries, or public spaces. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. Well, to initiate the process, access the settings menu on your device. Okay, proceed by selecting the sounds and vibration menu option. And within this menu, navigate to the system sound settings and tap on it. Okay, and here you'll find the options to toggle off the Samsung keyboard. And by disabling this toggle, you can silence keyboard sounds on your device, providing a quieter and more personalized audio experience. Adjusting these settings allows you to customize the sound's preferences on your device to suit your needs and preferences. Well, that's the tutorial on how to turn off keyboard sound on Samsung C55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.